Okay, what do you rate this outfit 1 out of 10?
Where's it
The
at?
fuck?
Where's it
At the airport or something.
at? And what did you say that for?
That's just the next one. Rate this outfit. The fuck?
Why are you standing like...
Rate.
like you?
Okay,
Why?
rate this one. I feel like it's kind of slayed. The fuck? What do you think?
First of all, what is that one? The fuck?
What?
Why do you keep on saying do it?
I was proud of this fit. 1 through 10. The fuck? Rate it.
That's cute. Look at you looking fit.
Slay fit. Okay, next one. What do you think about this fit? The fuck?
I honestly don't even remember you wearing that because I wouldn't have gone out with you that day. And
I wore this last week.
the
And
fuck
you
you say that for every time you show me the picture? I mean, shit.